Okay, so we're looking at question 12 here, where we're looking at finding the area between these two curves. To find the area between these two curves, the first thing we need to do, of course, is find the points of intersection of the two lines. So I've got my two lines, y equals x squared minus 3x plus 4, and y equals x plus 1. To find the points of intersection, I'm going to simply substitute in the y value into there. So I will get this, rearrange it so it's equal to 0 because it's a quadratic, and then I will use my calculator to work out the x values. So having got x equals 1 or 3, we then need the y values. Thankfully we're told y equals x plus 1, so for this one y will be 4 and y will be 2 even, and y will be 4. Technically, we don't need the y values for integration between two limits because we're always just looking, again, we're looking at integrating under the curve between these 2 points, which we notice are on the x-axis. But it's good practice to always get your y values as well as your x values, particularly because if we look at our question again, in part A, it actually does ask for the coordinates of the points where they intersect. So I've done that already. So now moving on to part B, where I am actually working out the area. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly sketch it again and think about what I'm doing. So for a question like this, the first thing I need to do is think, right, if I integrate under the line y equals 3 between these 2 points, I will get this whole area, which is not what I want. So when I integrate between 1 and 3 for x plus 1 dx, that will give me that area. That's too much. I only want this little bit here, which means I need to I need to take away the area, oh, this is a terrible drawing. I need to get rid of the area under this curve, so that leaves me the area above that curve. So I need to get rid of the integration of x squared minus 3x plus 4 dx. Thankfully, nowadays calculators will just do this for you, and we are given a diagram so we know it's all above the x-axis. So use your calculators to get these two values, and that is how you do this question.